Hi guys, I'm Sunny and today we are making tandoori chicken skewers. We're going to do drumsticks, we're going to skewer them, we're going to put them on the barbecue. The marinade's simple, it's delicious, it's big bold flavours, and there's going to be a slight twist and a slight secret ingredient which you're either going to love or hate, so make sure you watch this video till the end and let me know your comments in the comments below. Okay, so tandoori marinade is the most simplest thing you'll ever make. Some people think it's really difficult and it's this big extravagant thing. It's not, it's so simple. So I'm cooking, I think it's 16 drumsticks, yeah? So I'm gonna get 4 tablespoons of, actually make that 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We are gonna go add our spices. So I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, some Garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin, of coriander, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm just going to give that a quick mix really quickly. And then I am going to go in with my tandoori masala mix, which I'm going to put in heavy. So we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons. Yeah. And then I'm going to add 1 heaped, make sure it's heaped, tablespoon of red chili powder. Okay. Now, then we're going to go in with, I've got garlic paste here, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 heaped tablespoons of garlic paste and 2 heaped tablespoons of ginger paste, right? And perfect. And we're going to go in with half a lime. You can use lemon, I've got lime, so I'm using lime. Try not to make it go everywhere. And some oil. Right, we're going to give this a good mix now, a really good stir. And the secret ingredient is coming, so like I said, you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. Some of you might already know what it is, but I'm going to show you why we add it, or why I'm adding it. I don't normally add it, but I'm going to show you why I add it once this is mixed up. Okay, so that's a good consistency. I want a bit more oil in there because I've got a reasonable amount of chicken. Okay, so look at the color here. This is what tandoori chicken looks like. Okay, so once this cooks out, it's going to go like a deep orange color. But everyone in England is used to tandoori chicken being red, right? Why do you think it's red? It's red because they put food coloring in it. So I'm going to add some food coloring in this. It's not going to impart the flavour. I don't do this often. Actually, if I'm honest, it's the first time I've actually added food colouring. So this is just normal food colouring. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm told that you're only meant to put a sprinkle in. And this would make your tandoori chicken go from from an orange colour to the red colour that you see in restaurants. Go a little bit more. If we're going to do it, go big, right? If nothing else, it will make a good thumbnail. So the reason it's orange is because normally you've got that red chili mixed with the turmeric and the yogurt, and that obviously is going to turn into an orange colour, not a red. The only way you make it red is by adding loads more red chili, and that's just going to overpower the whole dish. Perfect. And that's my marinade ready. Okay guys, I'm just going to grab my chicken thighs. These have got the skin on them, and I'm just going to score them on both sides, tandoori style. And we do this so the marinade gets into each and every part of that chicken, because there's a lot of meat on these. So sometimes, so just watch me do that. So get it nice and deep so that the marinade gets into all the cracks. There's no point having just the marinade on the outside of the chicken, and you're biting into a big thick drumstick, and it's just, you haven't got that tandoori flavour throughout the whole of it, just on the outside. Okay, we're good. Right, there's only one way of doing this, and that's just to get stuck in. You want to massage and press all of that marinade into each and every piece of chicken. Each drumstick should be beautifully covered. You just want to rub it in. And this marinade is just going to penetrate. We're going to leave this for 24 hours overnight, and it's just going to penetrate, and then we're going to skewer these. You've never seen drumsticks skewered like this, trust me. I'm going to skewer them up, make sure it's all fully coated. And what I might do is, halfway through, after about 12 hours, I might come back down and give it another rub, another massage, another press, just to make sure that there's nothing that isn't being uncovered. All right, I think I've got every chicken piece, every drumstick's been pressed, and all of that marinade has gone into every tiny bit of each piece of the chicken. And now I'm just going to wrap this up. I'm going to take my gloves off. I'm going to cling film this, and that's it. I'll see this baby in the morning. Okay guys, we've got our chicken drumsticks that have been marinating overnight, and so they've been in the marinade for about 17-18 hours, I think, approximately, and they smell outstanding. They smell delicious. Straight away you're getting that hit of garlic, the ginger, the turmeric. I've got some of these skewers here which I've had to go out and buy because somebody stole my proper ones. Okay, all right, so we're trying to get as many skewers as we can, as many drumsticks as we can on the skewer, and then we're going to barbecue these. So 2 skewers per drumstick. 1, 2, try not to stab yourself like I just did. All right, so that's that one. And I'm just going to do as many drumsticks as I can on the 1 skewer. And you can watch me do these on camera, and the rest I'll just do off camera, and I'll meet you at the barbecue. Here's our skewered chicken drumsticks, tandoori style, packed full of marinade. Oh, I can't wait for these. We're going to keep flipping these every couple of minutes, but first I'm going to let them get a nice char on them. So straight on. 1, 2, and 3. Now, just basic barbecue knowledge or grill knowledge, the back of the grill here is going to be the hottest part, so those ones are going to cook quicker than the ones at the front. So just bear that in mind as you're cooking, because as you're flipping it'll be fine, but at some point this one's going to have to hit the back and those two are going to have to come forward. So I'll talk you through that as we go. Okay guys, it's been about 4 minutes. As you can see, our chicken's coming along. What I'm going to do, just to amplify this a little bit more and just to pimp it up, I'm going to get some of our leftover marinade from the thing, and I'm just going to, before I flip them, I'm just going to give these another hit of marinade just to make sure. We're just going to be a little bit careful. So I am going to go and start with this guy here. So just be confident in your flip and just go bang like so. And the same thing here, just be nice, just a nice confident flip. Now that I've flipped them, this side here is going to get a nice basting. Okay, so that's perfect, and I'm going to close this up and we're ready to go. Another 4 minutes. Yep. Cool. Okay. All right guys, it's been another 4 minutes. Let's flip these up. Oh my God, look at that. They look beautiful. All right, I'm going to give them another baste on this side before I flip them. Right, let's flip these bad boys. And we're going to start with this one that's closest to me. Nice and easy. Perfect. And we close up for another 4 minutes. Okay guys, so now we're on to the final stage, where basically what we're going to do is we are going to move this skewer here to this side of the grill. Yeah. And I'm going to turn the heat off of this side. So this heat here is going to go off. So that's off now. And I'm going to blast the heat on this side. So that's on high. So this side of the grill is going to be super hot, but there's no chicken here, and this side of the grill is going to be there's going to be no heat coming from this side. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give them one last hit of marinade before I close this up for a good 10 minutes. Okay, let's go. That's it. Okay guys, we're done. I'm going to turn this heat off, and this is our beautiful tandoori chicken skewers. All right, so I'm just going to put these on a platter and we're good to go inside. All right guys, we're done. This is it, our beautiful tandoori chicken with some veggie rice I've quickly prepared and some fresh limes on the side. So listen, I can't wait, so I'm just going to get stuck in, and I'm just going to grab one of these beautiful chicken drumsticks, and I'm just going to get straight in, so mind my manners. Oh my god, stunning, succulent, juicy, packed full of flavour. Tastes just like tandoori chicken from your local restaurant, even better than most restaurants. So good. Let's get some lime. Just a few drops. Just brings everything together. So good. Guys, you've got to try this at home. It's absolutely effing delicious. Perfect.